What's up, YouTube? Joe with Stevens Brothers Construction. Want to take you through our ADU build in Murrieta. So first is the existing house, and I'm just kind of showing we have a separate carved-in ADU lid that shuts the water off just to this unit. So there's the front porch, and it matches the existing house perfectly. Has the stone columns, the railing, beam details. One feature we did while we ran all the utilities was do RV hookups, so clean out its own 50 amp panel, water, all that. So that was nice. Landscaper did all the grass and driveway. So you can see all the window details, the siding as I'm pointing in the video, vertical, horizontal on the walls. All the beams, corbel cut, like I said, the railing, stone, and then the rest stucco. So just like the house. So you got some water main coming into the house, motion light, window foam detail. Here's the AC unit with the disconnect, looking all clean. They're actually going to wrap that and put it on the other side of the wall. In the back here, that's a bathroom. I don't believe I opened that up, but that door leads to a bathroom for the pool. Oh, here you go. So just a sink and a toilet, perfect, so you don't have to track through the home if you're using the pool and a kid or an adult needs to use the restroom. And then also is an outdoor shower area. There's the pool equipment, which the homeowner will handle with, they're going to wall it off. And in this area where I just pointed by that blue bucket, it's going to be a fireplace. This area, that niche will most likely be for a fridge. So while we ran all the utilities, we have their circuits, sewer, water, all just for future if they want to do an outdoor barbecue, which I'm pretty sure they will because that's super tempting to utilize all that. So there's the foam, the windows, it all matches. Got lighting, fascia, the roofing, it all matches. So it'll fade in about a year or two and match like identical. The stucco's a little bit fresher, same with the roof tiles, but they will be exact over time. Landscaping did such a great job. The before of this area was crazy. Ditches and dirt, trampolines, trees, avocados, all kinds of stuff. Well, there's my brother. He's walking in. So nice little porch, and I point up there. We put a porch swing that will be ready. Eye hooks into the roof rafters. So this is the unit. It's there's a kitchen and living. So we got quartz countertops, white shaker cabinets, 2 floating shelves, full kitchen, got the microwave range, dishwasher, fridge. There's the stainless farmhouse sink, which is cool, and check out that view. It's pretty awesome looking at the pool. Got LVP flooring in here as well, which is waterproof. And then we got tons of storage. So you'll see my brother walk in here. So tons of hallway storage in this one. And then we got the little attic access above. There's the walk-in shower. And then we're still waiting. There's a mirror that gets hung up. But there's the oversized vanity for these types of projects. Bench, full tiled shower. More storage. And then behind the door, you will see the stackable laundry, which is awesome. So squeezed in this unit, it works perfect for these types of units. Just a nice little stackable unit is more than enough. And then we're going to enter over here, and this is the bedroom. This is the walk-in closet, which is actually pretty big. So this is bigger than most people's closets in their homes. So full walk-in, just a nice simple shelf and pole for this one. And then our bedroom right there. There's the sub panel I wanted to show, so it's got to be inside on these. They don't let us do them outside. And there's all the breakers, which is nice access, but you don't want to see it. So when the door's open to the bedroom, it'll be hidden. So that's nice. And even when it's closed, it's fine. They could probably put a painting over it or something more decorative. But then all our ADUs come with lighting, standard can lights, ceiling fan, every room. And then you can see some of the outlets on the wall. There's one up higher, so we mark for the TVs. So that's always a plus. Like I said, these are all included in our units. We know people need this stuff, so it's just kind of standard, not like a track home builder. So we got crown molding as well throughout the whole place. Shaker doors, 2-panel. And then we have the baseboard, which is a 5-inch. So lots of trim in this one, little details that make it extra fancy. So there's another ceiling fan. That will be the living area. They'll have a couch and a TV, and it actually goes behind the door a little bit to the right, which is what they wanted. So there's the big old slider with tons of light coming in. But that's about it. These are really cool. So it has its own AC system. You can see ducted, so not a mini split hanging on the wall. The quartz countertops, the shelves, all of it. It's a full kitchen. And it's just really nice. There's an attic access, and we actually made, as I point, in the truss calcs, we made an attic space go all the way through. So it has the HVAC equipment in it, but it also has tons of room for storage. So there's me kind of messing around, not knowing what I'm doing with the camera. But there's actually a Nest thermostat as well, which is the same as the main house. So tons of storage in this one. Great design. There's a plumber. He came to finish up a few details. He does a great job. So, yep, there's the plugs, the landscaping, and that's all there is to it. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope it answers some of your questions. These are more about the finishes, just to show like the high-end detail to it and how it's not really skimped on with just like a little cap in the ceilings with no lighting. Everything's in there, and it's really easy to do when it's fresh. So I appreciate you guys watching, and I hope you enjoyed. And if you have any questions or you'd want to build one of these units with us, you can contact us through our website, TWOBROSBUILD.com. So that's twobrosbuild.com. You can also call us 951-234-9487. Thanks, guys.